The internet is buzzing. Everyone wants a piece of the online money pie. From freelancing to online businesses, the opportunities seem endless. People are quitting their 9-to-5s, becoming their own bosses, and living life on their own terms. It's the new gold rush and everyone wants in. One of the most intriguing trends? Making money through Telegram bots. These digital helpers promise easy tasks and quick cash, but are they the real deal or just another online mirage? Let's dive in and find out. This image perfectly captures the allure of online money making. Freedom, flexibility, and the potential for a beachside office. But is it all it's cracked up to be? Let's find out. Imagine having a personal assistant available 24/7. Someone who can send you reminders, fetch information, and even help you earn a little extra cash. That's what Telegram bots are all about. These automated programs live within the Telegram messaging app. They interact with you just like a real person would, but without the need for sleep or coffee breaks. You can find bots for almost anything, from booking flights to getting the latest news updates, and yes, even for earning money. This is what interacting with a Telegram bot typically looks like. Simple, right? Scrolling through Telegram channels, you'll encounter countless bots promising easy money. Complete surveys, watch videos, refer friends. The tasks seem simple enough. Some even boast about paying $5 for every minute you spend on their platform. These claims are certainly enticing. Who wouldn't want to earn a quick buck in their spare time? But before you jump on the bandwagon, it's important to approach these claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. Claims like these are everywhere in the Telegram bot world. But can you really trust them? Intrigued by the prospect of earning money through Telegram bots? Joining the party is easier than you might think. Most bots operate on a simple invitation system. First, find your bot by searching for it using Telegram's search bar. Next, start the chat by clicking the start button. Then, follow the instructions. The bot will guide you through the registration process, which usually involves providing basic information. Finally, complete tasks. Once registered, you can access the available tasks and start earning. It's that simple. But remember, simplicity doesn't always equate to legitimacy. These visuals make it crystal clear how easy it is to start using Telegram bots. But the real question is, are these bots worth your time and effort? Section 5. The $5 per minute myth, fact or fiction. The holy grail of Telegram money-making bots is the promise of earning $5 per minute. Imagine the possibilities. Unfortunately, this claim is often too good to be true. While some bots might offer high payouts for certain tasks, consistently earning $5 per minute is highly unlikely. These inflated claims are often used as bait to lure unsuspecting users into their schemes. This image highlights the absurdity of the $5 per minute claim. While earning money online is possible, it's important to have realistic expectations. Section 6. Tales from the Telegram trenches, user experiences. The internet is rife with stories about Telegram money-making bots. These bots promise a variety of ways to earn money, from completing surveys to engaging in social media tasks. The allure of easy money has drawn in countless users, each with their own unique experiences. Some users sing their praises, claiming to have earned a decent side income. They share stories of how these bots have helped them pay off small debts, save for a special purchase, or simply have a bit of extra cash on hand. For these users, the bots have been a welcome addition to their financial toolkit. Others, however, share tales of scams and unfulfilled promises. They recount how they were lured in by the promise of easy money, only to find themselves spending hours on tasks that yielded little to no reward. Some even report losing money to fraudulent bots that disappeared without a trace. John, a college student, excitedly joined a bot promising high payouts for completing surveys. He envisioned earning enough to cover his textbooks and maybe even some fun nights out with friends. The initial excitement was palpable as he dove into the tasks. After spending hours filling out forms, he was disappointed to find that his earnings were meager and the payout threshold nearly impossible to reach. The realization hit hard, and the time he invested felt wasted. His dreams of easy money quickly evaporated. On the other hand, Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, found moderate success with a bot that connected her with small paid gigs like social media engagement. For Sarah, the flexibility of these tasks was a perfect fit for her busy schedule. She could work while her child napped or played nearby. While the pay wasn't substantial, it provided a small stream of income during her free time. This extra money helped cover some household expenses and gave her a sense of accomplishment. Sarah's experience highlights how, for some, these bots can be a useful tool for earning a bit of extra cash. These contrasting experiences demonstrate the unpredictable nature of Telegram money-making bots. The outcomes can vary widely, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's a mixed bag, and your mileage may vary. As with any online opportunity, it's crucial to approach these bots with caution. Research, read reviews, and be wary of promises that seem too good to be true. The world of Telegram money-making bots is filled with both potential and pitfalls, and navigating it requires a careful and informed approach. Section 7. Weighing the odds. Pros and cons of money-making bots. Like any online money-making opportunity, Telegram bots come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages. These bots have become increasingly popular as more people look for ways to earn extra income online. However, it's important to understand both the positive and negative aspects before diving in. Easy to use. Joining and using these bots is generally straightforward, even for tech novices. The user interfaces are often designed to be intuitive, making it simple for anyone to get started without needing extensive technical knowledge. Low barrier to entry. Most bots don't require any special skills or qualifications. This means that virtually anyone with a smartphone and internet access can participate. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to supplement their income, these bots offer an accessible way to make some extra cash. Flexibility. You can complete tasks at your own pace and convenience. This flexibility is particularly appealing for those with busy schedules or multiple commitments. You can work from anywhere, whether you're at home, in a cafe, or even on the go. Low earning potential. The payouts are often very low, and reaching the minimum withdrawal threshold can be challenging. Many users find that the time and effort required to earn a significant amount of money are not worth the small rewards. It's essential to manage your expectations and understand that these bots are unlikely to replace a full-time income. Potential for scams. Not all bots are legitimate, and some may be designed to steal your personal information. It's crucial to do thorough research and read reviews before engaging with any bot. Look for red flags such as requests for sensitive information or promises of unusually high payouts. Time-consuming. You might need to spend a significant amount of time to earn even a small amount of money. This can be frustrating, especially if you have other responsibilities or limited free time. It's important to weigh the time investment against the potential earnings to determine if it's worth your effort. This visual representation helps to quickly weigh the potential benefits against the risks involved. By considering both the pros and cons, you can make a more informed decision about whether using money-making bots is the right choice for you. Remember, while these bots can offer some financial benefits, they also come with their own set of challenges and risks. Always proceed with caution and stay informed to protect yourself from potential pitfalls. Section 8. The verdict. Are Telegram money bots worth your time? This is a question that many people are asking as they look for new ways to supplement their income or even find a primary source of earnings online. So, are Telegram money-making bots the answer to your financial dreams? These bots promise easy money with minimal effort, which can be very tempting. The truth is, it's complicated. While the idea of making money through automated bots sounds appealing, the reality is often far from the promises made. While there are legitimate bots that offer small earning opportunities, these are usually limited and won't make you rich overnight. They might help you earn a few extra dollars, but that's about it. The vast majority fall short of their grand promises. Many bots are designed to lure you in with the hope of easy money, only to disappoint you in the end. If you're looking for a way to get rich quick, Telegram bots are not the answer. The promises of high returns with little to no effort are often too good to be true. Telegram bots are not the answer. They can be a waste of time and effort if you're expecting significant financial gains. However, if you have some spare time and don't mind earning a few extra bucks here and there, then experimenting with a few reputable bots might be worth a shot. It's a way to make some pocket money without much investment. Then experimenting with a few reputable bots might be worth a shot, but remember, not all bots are created equal. It's essential to do your research and find ones that have good reviews and a track record of actually paying out. Remember to proceed with caution, manage your expectations, and prioritize your time and effort wisely. Don't let the allure of easy money cloud your judgment, and prioritize your time and effort wisely. Set limits on how much time you're willing to spend on these bots and stick to them. It's easy to get carried away and waste hours for minimal returns. The online world is full of opportunities, but it's crucial to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism and a discerning eye. There are many legitimate ways to make money online, but there are also many scams, but it's crucial to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism and a discerning eye. Always read reviews, check for red flags, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In the end, your time and effort are valuable, so spend them wisely.